Okay, I'm plugging in the product right now. You can see the light works, so there's power going to the product. I am going to turn the knob all the way to, which is very hard to turn, by the way, so to the 60. I don't know if you can hear it. It is clicking, tapping, so that you see the coals are not working. It's on test convection. I will move it and then I'll move it back and try to do that. 60 and do the temperature to 450 both sides. So you see the light is on. Everything, there's no power button light though. That is not on, but this lamp works. As you can see the plug-in right there, and nothing's on. Nothing's on. You see nothing's red, up or below or up top, nothing is powering.